Hello po sa DSAP North NCR. Good morning, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Adele Nacedo Mangutang and I'm your Field Vice President from IFER. Quick question po. Pwede po bang pataas ng kanang kamay kung familiar or meron na po kayong Ferncy sa inyong botika? Pinakamaunang tumaas ang kamay? Si Ma'am po na nakita ko. Mamigyan ko po kayo ng Ferncy. Yan, opo. Si Ma'am po yung pinaka nauna. Okay. Hingi po pala ako ng help as sineset up po ang atin. Marami pa po tayo mga prizes sa Facebook post. Marami pa po. We will be giving away raffle 5,000 worth of iPhone products and lunch buffet for 2 po sa Astoria Hotel. Okay, kaya makinig po kayo po May quiz po mamaya. Okay. Okay, so this is our first product, Ferncy. iFern is very innovative because we are the first pharmaceutical company to ever provide non-acidic vitamin C. Ferncy, 21 years na po sa market. Nasa Mercury, nasa Southstar, nasa Watsons. Now, we have 14 products in our pipeline. We have 14 products po ngayon. And 2 of the products plus the rest of the products that we have, 2 I will discuss po today. All the other products that we have, hindi po available sa Mercury, hindi po available sa Watsons, hindi po available sa Southstar. So ano po ibig sabihin nun? Pwede po maging available sa botika po ninyo, yun po ang magiging edge po ninyo. As a matter of fact, Ferndy, this is 1 billion sales every year. Ganun po kalakas po ang Ferndy. 1,000 IU cholecalciferol. iFern has been in the industry for 21 years. We are a multi-billion peso company. This is our office in Astoria, Escriva Drive, Shaw Boulevard. Our warehouse is at Sheridan, and our toll manufacturing partner is Hizon Laboratory. Next slide, please. Okay, what sets Ferndy apart? Bakit po ito 1 billion every year? Number 1, ang raw material po namin is from Switzerland. We partner with DSM Switzerland. They are the leading provider of vitamins sa buong mundo. Raw material from Europe, manufactured in the Philippines through Hizon Laboratory. Affordable po ba siya? Distributor price po, 8 pesos ang isang 1,000 IU na soft gel. SRP, 13 pesos. 1,000 IU, and we're the only vitamin D was won World Brand Award for 7 consecutive years. Okay. We have all the licenses and permit to operate, approved by FDA, halal. So kami po ay pwede sa mga Muslim brothers and sisters because all 15 products of iFern are halal certified. Brand of the Year Award for Ferncy and Ferndy, all the products po nasa MIMS po siya. Next slide. Okay. We've been very busy for the past couple of years in terms of joining mga convention po like POGS, convention po ng mga family physician, and now, okay, we partnered po with Drugstore Association of the Philippines. So magkikita-kita po tayo sa April sa Manila Hotel. Marami pa pong mga prizes and raffle po kami ilalabas. Cellphone po, mamimigay po kami ng cellphone po sa Manila Hotel po na national convention po natin. Okay. So what sets Ferndy apart, aside from the fact that raw materials are from DSM Switzerland, Europe, kami po ang 1,000 IU. When we look at other brands, we saw may halo. Nakita po namin may soybean oil. Nakita po namin other brand, may mushroom. Nakita po namin, meron po silang olive oil. In other words po, may binder. Kaya we get a lot of feedback from our customers. Ang ganda ng effect sa Ferndy. Because purong-puro po at 13 pesos ang isang 1,000 IU. Okay. And again, kaya naman po, nanalo po ng World Brand Award for how many years po? 7 consecutive years. Thank you po, ma'am. Meron po kayong Ferndy. Ayan. Nakikinig po si ma'am. Next slide po. Okay. Bakit po nakaka 1 billion sales kami? Ang lakas po namin sa mga buntis. Bakit po? Ginawa na pong batas sa Pilipinas. Republic Act 11148. Lahat ng buntis, 0 to 2 years old, kailangan mag-take ng vitamin D. The International Federation of OB/GYN sa buong mundo now requires all pregnant women to take vitamin D. Kaya po malakas po kami sa mga OB. Nakakatulong din po siya sa mga may PCOS, katulad ko. Nakakatulong siya sa mga gustong magkaanak. And these are just some doctors po who are prescribing IFERN. And one of the advocacies that I have is to spread awareness on vitamin D and autism. Right now, the rate of autism sa buong mundo is for every 53 newborn, meron pong bata na isa na nasa autism spectrum. Ang kailangan po pala ay yung pregnant mom mag-take po ng vitamin D, Fern D, 2,000 IU, and we will help change the narrative. Ibalik po natin siya sa dating numbers na 1 out of 600 po. Okay, next slide. Okay. Ano pa po nagawa ng vitamin D? Para saan pa ba ang vitamin D? Vitamin D is a determinant of mortality because of its anti-inflammatory and immune modulating effect. Ganun po siya kaganda. Kaya ito po yung mga diseases na nakakatulong po si vitamin D, si Fern D as preventive and as curative. We have a lot of medical journals from US, from Singapore, from Europe, from Australia, showing how vitamin D affects ito pong mga diseases. Kaya po 300 metabolic function ng katawan, nakakatulong po ang vitamin D. Next slide. Ayan. From head to foot po, meron ka pong sakit sa puso, nire-reseta ng doktor. Meron kang sakit sa kidney, may tama ka sa kidney, nire-reseta ng doktor ang vitamin D. Meron kang tama sa matres, nire-reseta ng doktor ang vitamin D. Meron kang tama sa ulo, joke lang po, vitamin D is used as prevention for Alzheimer's and dementia. So, medyo slight, hindi naman po tama, no? For prevention against Alzheimer's and dementia. Next slide. Yan. These are just some doctors who use IFERN products to help patients with diabetes, help patients with stroke, help patients with lupus, help patients with dialysis. As a matter of fact, we have a new product, metabolized form of vitamin D. Ang galing po, no? Kasi sa 2 months na ginamit niya, yung product namin, yung creatinine niya from 6.38 bumaba po to 0.9. So, napakaganda po ng product namin. Again, we have 14 products. That's just the first product that we have. Second product that I will share today is FernFlex. Taas po ang mga paa kung masasakit na po ang inyong tuhod. Si Mama Libel nagtaas po. Ay, nag-detect pala si Mama Libel ng FernFlex. Thank you so much. Ayan po. Meron pa po ba masakit po ang tuhod? Taas. Okay, hindi ko na po papataasin po ang inyong tuhod, ma'am. Opo. Baka po magkakaalaman ma po talaga. Okay. Even though I'm obese, I'm able to play and Zumba because of, di ba may demo pa po? FernFlex. What is FernFlex? Okay. We are the first in the Philippines to use undenatured collagen type 2. Ang kalaban po namin sa market uses glucosamine, uses chondroitin, which are mostly pain reliever. And then, ano ba nagagawa ng FernFlex? Ano nagagawa ng undenatured collagen type 2? Okay. Ano ba nagagawa niya? Nare-rebuild po niya ang joints and cartilage. UC2, kinuha po namin yan from Lonza. Only Lonza has the patent for undenatured collagen type 2. And we get it from them. We are their official distributor po dito po sa Philippines. Next slide. Secret formula po namin doon. Bakit ba effective ang FernFlex? Secret formula, chicken feet, paanong manok. Totoo po pala talaga ang sinasabi ng ating mga lola-lolo. Pag kumain po tayo ng chicken feet, makakatulong po collagen for the joints. Yung po, araw-araw po tayo kakain. Baka tumilaok na po tayo. So, FernFlex na lang po. And then, how much is FernFlex? Okay. 1 box is 800 distributor price, SRP 1,570. Other brand, you have to take 3 times a day. For FernFlex, you only need to take